In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a filter and a dashboard in Jira, an essential skill that can enhance collaboration and streamline workflows among your team members. Whether you're a project manager, a team leader, or a software developer, knowing how to efficiently share these tools ensures that everyone stays on the same page. So, let's dive right into it. We'll begin with sharing filters. When you're on your Jira dashboard, take a look at the panel on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll want to click on the Filters option there. Once you've done that, go ahead and select View All Filters. This will bring up a list of all the filters that are available to you. Now, find the specific filter you wish to share and click on it. Upon opening the filter, you'll notice a Share button at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this button will open a new window where you can specify exactly whom you want to share the filter with. You can enter specific names or choose entire teams, giving you the flexibility to target the specific audience you need. There's also an option to include a message. While this is optional, adding a personalized note can provide context or instructions tailored directly to your audience. After you've made your selections, simply click on Share. But that's not your only option. If you prefer, you can click on Copy Link instead. This way, you can send the link directly through email or any messaging platform that your team uses. Now, let's shift our focus to sharing dashboards. The process here entails a slightly different approach. Once again, navigate back to that all-important left panel and click on Dashboards. Then select View All Dashboards. This will take you to a page where you can see all available dashboards. Click on the one you'd like to share and look for the ellipses icon, those three little dots on the right-hand side. Clicking this will reveal more options, and you should choose Rename and Share. This action will open a pop-up window where you can add both viewers and editors. It's quite flexible, allowing you to specify users, groups, or even entire projects based on your needs. Once you've identified all the individuals or teams you want to share the dashboard with, take a moment to ensure your settings are just right. Finally, click Save to lock in your sharing configuration. This simple yet effective measure ensures that everyone you've included can access the tools they need. And there you have it, simple steps to share both filters and dashboards in Jira. By putting these techniques into practice, you can enhance your team's efficiency and ensure everyone is aligned with the project goals. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your Jira experience.